Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Pipedrive subscription. All right, it could be free or the trial version or a paid version, or even you still have the free trial and you have entered your card details. Okay, so first up, we'll log into your Pipedrive account, and in here, just go to the top right, click on your profile, and just straight up go to billing. Okay, in here, as you can see, I have a trial account. So basically, if we sit in the same boat, all we need to do is just wait it out until 14 days or 2 weeks, and then our subscription will just end by itself. All right, nothing else to do. Now, if you have the paid version, or if you have a trial subscription and you have entered your billing information, well, you can just go ahead and scroll down and you will have an option in here, cancel my subscription. Okay, just like what it says in here. You'll have this section that says need to cancel your subscription. Just go ahead and click on cancel my subscription. Okay, and it says here you'll be reminded of the data currently in your account and asked to give a reason for cancellation. So basically just follow simple prompts, and then once you have completed all the steps, your trial will be cancelled and you'll retain access to account until the 14-day trial period ends. Okay, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.